Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll discuss what is TCS NQT. Guys, if you are more comfortable in Hindi, this video is already uploaded in Hindi. Okay, you can check that. Link is in description. And guys, one more important thing is TCS has just announced that they will hire approximately 35 to 40,000 students this year. That is in this COVID situation. So guys, it is a very good opportunity for all of you. Okay, because it might happen most of the companies they may hire in less quantity. Now guys, I'll be talking to you in Hindi for 20 seconds. If you know Hindi, do watch this. Okay. नाउ मेरा एक और चैनल है उसमें मैंने हिंदी में वीडियोस अपलोड करता हूँ 290 से ज्यादा वीडियोस दोस्तों डले हुए हैं इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड प्लस एजुकेशनल वीडियोस में डालता हूँ यार आपको क्या पढ़ना चाहिए जैसे अमेजोन में क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं ठीक है प्रोसेस क्या है इन्फोसिस का पूरा डिटेल में हैक विद इन्फी क्या होता है 3 तरीकों से आप कैसे इन्फोसिस में जा सकते हो कॉग्निजेंट का क्या प्रोसेस है क्वेश्चंस क्या पूछे गए सब चीज डिटेल में डाला हुआ है यार कि आपको क्या प्रिपरेशन करनी है कौन सी वेबसाइट रेफर करनी है ठीक है बहुत कुछ डाला हुआ है ये प्लेलिस्ट आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगी तो आप जरूर देखना हिंदी आती तो जरूर देखना बहुत कुछ सीख के जाओगे आई कैन गारंटी अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो सेकंड ईयर में हो नो मैटर जरूर देखना ठीक है प्लस आपको कंपाइलर डिजाइन क्रिप्टोग्राफी की तो यार बेस्ट सीरीज मिल जाएगी आपको यूट्यूब पे आप सर्च कर सकते हो हिंदी में आपको प्लस इंग्लिश में भी मैं वीडियोस डाल रहा हूँ क्रिप्टोग्राफी में तो जरूर चेक करना यार कंपाइलर डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग इकोनॉमिक बहुत सारे आपके सब्जेक्ट्स डले हुए हैं तो चलिए अब स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश में नाउ गाइस इफ यू फाइंड माय वीडियोस यूजफुल यू कैन जॉइन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल आई हैव 2 टेलीग्राम चैनल्स गाइस one is for Hindi videos and another one is for English videos okay guys you can also follow me on Instagram to get each and every video update so do follow me there now let's start what is TCS NQT bhaiya now NQT is national qualifier test so guys first of all we'll discuss what is TCS NQT and how you can grab the offer of even 7 lakh per annum okay I'll explain you everything in detail now let's start what is NQT is national qualifier test it is a test conducted all over India by TCS okay to hire freshers now guys it has 2 profiles first is a ninja profile and second is a digital profile okay guys while filling your registration form always fill for both the profiles that is for ninja also and for digital also what happens is in your premium colleges like IITs NITs they get direct opportunity for this exam that is TCS NQT digital exam but for normal private colleges and government colleges what happens is you have to clear ninja exam first TCS ninja and if you perform very well in this exam some top contestants will be selected and guys they'll get a mail that you are eligible for digital profile exam so guys they'll give the digital exam also now if you clear this particular exam okay if we clear this test yes then we'll get a digital interview that is an interview for 6.5 to 7 lakh profile right this is the scenario but if you do not clear this test guys then also there is no problem still you have an interview in your hand because you have cleared ninja exam and you are among the top performers right so you will get a TCS ninja interview call that is 3.5 LPA offer guys if you are in BE BTech the offer might be 3.36 lakh per annum and guys if you are in your masters then you might get 3.6 lakh per annum okay so average approximately I have written 3.5 lakh per annum okay so this is the scenario so if you clear ninja and if you are among the top performers you will get to write the digital exam and if you clear this exam also you will get the interview of digital profile and if you clear this interview you will get the offer of 6.5 to 7 lakh per annum but if you do not clear this interview guys there are high chances that you are selected for ninja profile that is you will get the offer of 3.5 lakh per annum okay this is the scenario but if you don't clear this test you will get the interview of TCS ninja okay that is you will get the interview call for 3.5 lakh per annum okay so this is the scenario and guys whosoever clears this ninja exam they'll get an interview call for 3.5 lakh per annum okay so this is what is TCS NQT a brief introduction now guys if you are in your first year second year I would like to tell you one more way by which you can get an offer in TCS that is TCS Code Vita guys for this year Code Vita registration dates have been closed but if you are in first year or second year you must see this video guys I'll recommend you to watch this what is Code Vita I'll give the link in the description okay that video is available in Hindi but guys soon I will add captions in English okay so this is the scenario do watch this video guys in this you have 6 questions and you have 6 hours to solve these questions so if you are in your first year or second year do watch this video you will learn a lot about this what is this and you can prepare it okay from now on you can prepare for this coding competition and through this coding competition also guys you can grab a offer of 7 lakh per annum in TCS okay this is the scenario and now when we talk of is there negative marking yes there is negative marking guys if you solve one question wrong you will have a penalty of 0.33 marks okay so 1/3 of your marks will be deducted and guys if you have fill in the blanks type of questions there will be no negative marking okay this is important there will be no negative marking so do attempt all your fill in the blanks type of questions there is no negative marking in those type of questions now let us discuss the pattern guys this pattern is for TCS ninja profile okay TCS NQT exam which will be conducted guys the dates are not yet released so guys whenever the dates will be released by TCS I'll share it with you okay so you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get that notification So now let's continue. If we discuss the pattern of this exam, you will have guys 4 sections. You will have English, quantitative aptitude, programming logic and coding section. Okay, in your English you will get 15 questions. Okay, these are the questions and this is the time in minutes. Okay, minutes you will get. So for 15 questions you will get 10 minutes. And guys, for quantitative aptitude you will have 15 questions, 30 minutes. Programming logic 10 questions and 20 minutes. Guys, in this programming logic section you will get small code snippets. Okay, that what will be the output of this program, or you can get MCQs type of questions. Okay, so this is the scenario. All the questions will be in MCQ format only. So in the programming logic you will get 4 options and you will have to tick mark the correct option, that this is the output of this particular program. Okay, so in this way you will get the questions. And guys, in this coding section you will get only one question and you will have 30 minutes to solve it. Okay, generally guys, in coding question you may get the pattern question also, like you have to print diamond pattern. Okay, the question can also be like this simply. Okay, if you are a CSIT student you might have solved this type of pattern also. Okay, so something like this, you have to make a diamond pattern. So pattern can be anything. I have just taken an example. Okay, previous year in 2019 they gave the simple pattern. So pattern can also be there, simple string or arrays question can also be there. Okay, it can be anything. So this is the basic scenario guys, this is the pattern. And if we talk of the level of difficulty of the questions, it is not hard, it is easy to medium. Okay, it is between easy and medium. So but guys, you have to prepare well. Some students they think that our aptitude is very good, our English is very good, we'll see directly in the exam. Guys, no, you have to practice. Do practice guys, English also, quantitative aptitude also and programming logic also. Guys, try to do this exam very well so that you can get the offer of digital profile also. Okay, if you clear this exam and you get this interview, you can grab the offer of 7 lakh per annum. And guys, this is a very good starting package for a fresher. Okay, now guys, when we talk of programming languages allowed for coding, you will have C, C++, Java, Perl and Python. Okay, you are allowed to code in these 5 languages. Previous year these 5 languages were allowed. This year also these 5 languages will be allowed. If there is any change, I'll update you through a video. Okay, but as of now, this is the scenario. So this is all about TCS NQT. And guys, one more thing let us discuss. There is no cutoff as such. It depends totally on the performance of all the students all over India. Okay, so there is no specific cutoff that you have to clear 5 questions or 10 questions in particular section. So there is no cutoff. And guys, you have to have 60% throughout your 12th, 10th and your graduation. And there one backlog is allowed. Okay, this is a very good scene. Some people were having backlog and they were asking, sir, where should we apply? You have to apply over here, TCS NQT. Guys, if any of your student has one backlog and they are not able to apply for any company, do share this video with them guys. They'll know that yes, they can apply in this company. Whenever official dates will be released by TCS, I'll make a video and share it with you. Okay, so this is the scenario. One backlog is allowed and maximum guys 2 years educational gap is also allowed. Okay, so this was the basic about what is TCS NQT, how you can grab the offer of 3.5 LPA or 7 lakh per annum, and what is the pattern. This pattern is for Ninja exam, TCS NQT Ninja exam. NQT is national qualifier test. And if you're in your first year, second year, do visit this video guys. You'll learn a lot about CodeVita. Guys, I have another channel. On that channel I upload videos in Hindi. This is the channel Abhishek Sharma. You can search it on YouTube, right? There are almost 286 videos and currently we have almost 15k subscribers on this channel. Guys, I upload interview related videos on this channel. You will get Java interview series also. I have uploaded a lot of subjects like cryptography in Hindi and English both. Okay, you will get quality management videos, compiler design videos, best playlist. I'll say if you know Hindi, you will get the best explanation of cryptography and compiler design on my channel, right? There are some gate questions also. Amazon interview process I have also explained on this channel. You will get C programming videos, tricky C videos, pointers in C. Guys, this is one of the most important playlists, interviews, link list for interviews, right? I have explained all the programs in detail. You will get some vlogs and you will get computer graphics, engineering, economics, file handling and so on. So guys, if you know Hindi, do visit this channel. I can guarantee you will like the content. So do visit once and do check this playlist. Okay, interview process details if you know Hindi. And this is the best video till date. So guys, this is the most important video which I am highlighting right now.